Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
The attack on Martin Amidu from the MPP fraternity has begun. Na Anthony Ebeto aso no mesre infonina etwetwegu ewo screen so no opatare ni bia link no ewo description box ni mo o click here you be share piabro say o approach ya. If you want to support this channel, ejuma ye ne say weni eso a mesre this is the way you can go by this. Na etiefo uwie nso a metro senia neighbor sorry uwie a metro senia obe subscribe na wa click notification bell ne so ebeba na yedi so was here kasa ye be kasa monim se me nso de without fear or favor metro ma adwen senia obe subscribe na no na da screen so uwie am ya adoma ne so na click it all ye ne say latest news be about one sa ebeka Kennedy Ohene Japan. Yes, the attack on Martin Amidu from the MPP fraternity has begun. Now, I mean, the person leading the pack is Kennedy Ohene Japan. Yesterday on net 2. Wakansem, Ekekansem still. Ekekansem na asem ne tintin ni tietie mu a ene say Kennedy Japan na wopese Ghana for yetiasie. He was implying, because I am speaking from how I understood the things he was saying. So from me, no, Kennedy Japan was implying, say sebe Martin Amidu no, osha sebe na adwimo ekano na osha nsem bia wo kan ye ne nyama na ne tintini ni tietie mu no say Martin Amidu or adwimo yare. That was what Kennedy Japan implied. Wa kan nsem bi ekekan ebebo Mahamadin mama wati ase say Kennedy Japan de so wa attack wo bia wo man we mu a wo ya e de Mahamadin be for ho. Yes, ye ne enim se Martin Amidu ene Mahama wo mu enka, but Kennedy Japan wa ya matrese wo de Mahamadin aba be for se ne wo de Mahamadin so be for no mema mo ati ase na nini na ne say Kennedy Japan reacting on this whole Martin Amidu and President Akufo-Addo brouhaha no was say Martin Amidu wako Germany na Germany na wako no wako ye medical test na the medical records e wo Germany ho Martin Amidu enko famra na Ghana fo hu the medical test na medical records a wako ye wo Germany no wonko famra na Ghana fo hu na Ghana fo ene na ebe ma yate asese sa Martin Amidu no enyama bi wo ho a wo ya utumi hu ne se na adwen mu adwemu yare ena Martin Amidu yi wowo wasi Martin Amidu no, he thinks he's a thing god. He should go and bring his medical records from Germany. I dare him, bring your medical records from Germany to determine if you are normal. What dare Martin Amidu won't go find the medical records in free Germany mbra na yenhe or dare Martin Amidu wonya normal sebe nitiye ne ya kasakya sebi wesi dwom san ne beka no ne ya asante twi ewo eye prime no san ne kire me ye ka so bi esi dwom a na kire se ha euphemism e was what ase na Kennedy Japan be bia wode Mahama ebe fore ye ene se wose ayarega embebi Martin Amidu se ye ne aye kai se wo ye se wo prosecute ayarega ene nsensem no Kennedy Japan say ayarega was taking Martin Amidu on to produce his medical records. Because ayarega mbra na wone Martin Amidu nyae no ayarega ye nyadwen say nanka wo taking Martin Amidu on say Martin Amidu no medical records stress na adwen mu yare bi ewom na Martin Amidu no wonko fa records ne mbra o say ayarega na ehye sade na se o na ayarega ye say wo taking Martin Amidu on no na Mahama ebe mu ebe ka tra ayarega se ayarega wonjai sansem ne ka wose Mahama be ka tra ayarega se mon ka sansem no wonjai, he shouldn't raise that question. Embrana Martin Amidu ye appointment committee nti Mahama ena opene ye ema enye Mahama na kaba this time ayarega wa exposing Martin Amidu ama ye na ye hu se o wa adwemu yare eye mahama na epene ye ema Martinamidu wode adwumu yawe no ebe ye adwuma ende wode aye adwuma afiansa ye ma ya ate ase Martinamidu ene president nya aseminti afiansa ye ma ya ate ase se Martinamidu no wo adwumu yawe. And it's funny, you see, they be American same way say it is okay to attack someone, but when Kennedy Japan speaks like this without any evidence, without something, he is someone people listen to and people accept everything he says. Now, when you say things like this, in a way, you are even insulting the president. Kennedy Japan who they say, "Well, can be my president no." Expose Martinamidu can same way for Martinamidu, but in a way no, he is even speaking against the president. Why? Because President Akufo-Addo share so we no ba we be set up office of the special prosecutor we ba ye ne kre ne manifesto ade ba kon a oyeye no we ba ye nso e na we be fa Martinamidu as the special prosecutor. Ghana for Obiabo president ni ose se wayade. So if now you are telling us say long time no you knew say Martinamidu had medical records in Germany na den you want to tell us say aside all no dey even say assuming without admitting say Martinamidu you even say yes wakoye test result e wo Germany na yehu ni say wo adwumu yawe. Two person try say President Akufo-Addo ekofa wo bia wo adwumu yawe aba betena ho in a public office a special prosecutor and America no woka na woka na ya say woka na odi egu Martinamidu ehu fin ana wogu nanimu asia in a way you are also exposing the president, because that's what you are telling me. Me tifie na me papa akofa obi asebe wo adwemu yare se wo mehwe me so ana wo mehwe bibi so japade bi so wo fie a. What does it mean? Like I say na da sebe like is everything okay? That's what I'll ask my dad. But we didn't hear this matter. Yanti same way. Yes. Me mamoti ase Embra Martinamidu wo ba abonten e de letter ba abonten a wo be gu President Akufo-Addo hu fin ana wo gu nanimu ase. International media ni afa ya wo mu hu se dabi ya say Ghana president edino me mamoti ase say Kennedy Japan kan sa ade no embra na ye select Martinamidu. He said that waka say Martinamidu yo obi a wo begu wonimu ase nti ma MPP fu ani anje e ma me betena ha se kan sa me de Kennedy Japan bo ayeden ama no sa asem na wo kan no abem eye ne kre. But since that time, Kennedy Japan, you didn't say, you never told us Martinamidu medical records be with Germany. Implies say na dream or dream yawe. You never implied. One cancer, just say one boss and then I want the president ya say na ye person ye believe him, my ye believe say Martinamidu say be now wa dream yawe. No so wa dream yawe. Who mo na dey better na so. And then na mama mo example no. And then na mama mo example no. Mitimi fie na me papa kofa obi aba abehwe ejapade aso wo fie amayen ana wo kofa obi se wo mehwe yeso wo fie na me papa nnua enim se ni pakro ne se bi na adwemu o wa adwemu yare na still me papa nnua pene ama me papa kofa ni pakro ne se wo mehwe yeso e wo fie a etiefo se na nkan no me papa ni nnua na me papa nnua no they are at fault won kofa ni pakro ne mba ema wo behwe yeso no wo ba begu wenimu asiansa na me papa nnua wa ba bonti abeka se papa ekra no wo ko Germany ana wo ko baby no medical record stress na adwemu yawe eno kra me papa baby say na woni se papa e me ko fa na ba na adwemu wo adwemu yawe na wanka wa twen ya mama ko fa na ba e ma wa ba begu menimu asiansa na wo be ka atre me se wo adwemu yawe asem na wo kan kra no wo fi se wo gu Martinamidu hu fin but wo kan kra no wo kra wo gu wa kan sa hu fin wangasa wugu hu fin and amaka no it is okay me say that tweet I read for you guys Nipakuna will trust Adian or a prophet. Let me search for the tweet and read it again. Mehwehwe uko Twitter Message tweet in the name. I'm going on Twitter on my phone right now. I'll read the tweet for you guys. You see, it has become too clear, glaringly clear. And now I remember your announce. Na Kennedy Japan aba attacking no. Manase Azori na Kennedy Japan aba attacking no. Domolevu na Kennedy Japan esine 2 ka ne ho nsem. Martin Amidu nso afa Kennedy Japan. Chese wo bia wo ye analytical bet na se hu said dabi. Chese Ghana ha na se wo na ko bia wo issues. Obia yese wo expose aban na aban panyifo bi na aban bibia na Kennedy Japan si na 2 ene nipa kuyu ayese ena maka no Kennedy Japan is someone sometimes wakasa he doesn't even need to show proof. People will believe it. People will believe it. I mean ready tweet no entremo. If we did tweet na tremo na munyamu say yes. Nipa kono. Embra Martin Amidu betron krata. Eba bonten sa day no. E na tweet eba e. Na o say Nibao. Tweet nini. O say Kennedy Japan now they come do the dirty work. Don't be surprised when you see him attacking Martin Amidu on his TV station from now on. So this is the tweet. Mami read the tweet nibium. One tiasi ametrase e wo twi mu atrel. I say Kennedy Japan now they come do the dirty work. Don't be surprised when you see him attacking Martin Amidu on his TV station from now on. Na tweet no intrase ne say sisi ade wo ba be hu se Kennedy Japan ebe keka nsem akese afa Martin Amidu ho. Me man nya wanwa se wo sha ase se wo hu se Kennedy Japan kan nsem akese e wo na 2 afa Martin Amidu ho. This is the tweet. Embra Martin Amidu ba President Akufo-Addo kra won respond here no. And a tweet e so. It has been too predictable. Obia ehun sisi ade obia ehun. Say sisi ade wotwi wanim say wo kan bibia for aban ho wotwi wanim Kennedy Japan beba. Everyone has seen it. Meanwhile, first no, that wasn't how Kennedy Japan was reacting. It will be noticed here and saying wo hwe omo ana first wo mo do Kennedy Japan pana nansen yeswate. If you say the truth, embra na NDC wa ban mu no hwe senior na nkrofo do Kennedy Japan when NDC was in power. Metumi a tell say nansen emu atebeye half 10 first no Kennedy Japan kasa wonti wo bia se wo bia beba bonten kra be rebate Ebeka say Kennedy Japan oboa we say no one, because at time no bia say no bia don obi hu ne say asem a wo kana ne kre but ende ma Kennedy Japan beka nsem na hwe wo be hu nkola kra be ba bontia ba be didi na tem say wo dey say equally you get people supporting him, but equally so you get the same number of people bashing him. Why? Because people are beginning to realize say papa I said there is a trend. I said wa mayeti ase say wo no there Ghana at heart, but MPP ba mu no ye hu ne say oba na oba expose aban no say aban ne ye bibia enyepe na wakwa akogina aban ne chi oba na oba expose say aban ne ye bibia enyepe na wakwa akogina aban ne chi. We were here when Manase Azori exposed the PPA boss answer na wo beba bedani PPA boss na the bank account sika ewom 450 million 45,000 Ghana cedis. Muntie ni ye answer na wo beba bedani PPA boss na the bank account sika ewom 45,000 Ghana cedis. Just within 3 years our bedani PPA boss after in the bank account sika ewom 45 million new Ghana cedis. Show for 45,000 first no one yam bedani PPA boss no na the bank account 45,000 Ghana cedis na ewom. Sisia wobedane just within 3 years 45 million new Ghana cedis in a womb. O pese wo calculate kra na ejuma ben PPA boss keke wobedane ye. but embra manase azori yes say we expose PPA boss no Kennedy Japan we be gina PPA boss nechi. Why? Because PPA boss no nso ye MPP ni. And Manase I say Manase boa PPA boss ni say PPA boss ni the bank account details and ba botia na nko obi ehun ni say say Kennedy Japan support a wo be support PPA boss ni na no say Kennedy Japan na wonim de ntia wo support no. Because how come just within 3 years you have 45,000 Ghana cedis in your bank account. Now you have 45 million new Ghana cedis in your bank account just within 3 years. We a PPA boss. Meanwhile, Japan wanted us to believe say PPA boss no way clean and your Manase Azori na wonu mo ye corrupt. You see, it will notice here a lot of people are beginning to notice this. In time I will be to make control on Twitter. Say Martinami do aba abontin be ye say no. Next thing I will be hu say Kennedy Japan. Ebenam TV so. Me nso me de betu aso. Afi abronye ene chema wuntumi ebetu aso. Kennedy Japan we lead park here wa sha ase e keka nsem we say Martinami do o adwemu yare say war imply no. Abronye ono kra mete ne nka ache minim so hye ho dia. Abronye ene chema wuntumi. Wo mo de be fo aso. Wo mo de be ka ho. I am telling you, because Melodies me a prophet. Hey, you hear baby yo, and those of you following blindly, it should be very clear to you. Say, wait dear. Into the bakuno no one say na dream medical records be what say able to me actually say dream yare what my president choose no. Yes, you were against it, but embra now we against it no. You never told us say dream yare. And our records be what Germany young concussion. You never told us. I say many. Oh,